Hello there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use content aware fill in Photoshop. Let's say you have an image like this and you want to remove an object completely. You can do that by watching this video. So after watching this video, you'll be able to use content aware fill easily in Photoshop. And if you want to use the same image I'm using, you can find the link in the video description. If you are not yet a subscriber on this channel, make sure to click that red button there and turn on the notification. I am Nicholas Isaiah from Think4E, and let's get started. In order for our project to be successful, we need to take 4 steps. The first step is to import our image into Photoshop. There are 2 common ways you can use to import your image into Photoshop. The first common way is by clicking on File and then come down here where it says Open. When you see this, locate where your image is. The second common way is by the use of drag and drop. Now we have imported our project image into Photoshop. The second step is to make a selection around the subject or an object you want to apply content aware fill. You can use any selection tool you want. For this project, I will use Polygonal Lasso tool. When you are done making selection, then let's go to step 3, which is to apply the content aware fill. To do that, click on Edit and then come down here where it says Fill. When you see this, make sure content aware fill is selected and leave the other settings as default. Now we have applied content aware fill, as you can see. The fourth step is to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about Photoshop, you can click the link in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching.